Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use the Prescriber Hub on Faces with a few simple steps. Once you're logged into the website, tap on your profile, then go to Settings and click on Location and Availability. First, you will need to add the clinic location where you will be performing the consultation services. Add it here and include your email address and location phone number. For the description, you have the option to generate via AI, or you can add in your own description. Next, you will need to add the address of your clinic and location photos that will serve as reference once people go to your clinic. For the color location, this will help determine which clinic has bookings, especially if you have multiple clinics that are added to your account. Once that's added, just click on Done and add the missing details if there are any. From there, you will then be moved to the next screen, where you can set opening hours, with an option to choose flexible hours. Once everything is good, click on Confirm. The next step is to add a specific treatment or the consultation service itself, so just click on Add New Treatment and Consultation Service. You can generate the description or fill in your own description. You can then create a category specific to the consultation. You can add photos that is relevant to the consultation service. You can select the length of the consultation. Once added, you can then add the price of the consultation. When they try to book a consultation with you, you can add it here. Consent forms are required. You can create your own consultation form, wherein you can request details that you need. If you require a medical form, make sure to check this box. Now you have all the details in place for that specific person that you will be performing the consultation with. Once everything is ready, click on Save. Now you successfully added your consultation service. And the last step is for you to share the link to your patients. Download Faces today.